Let's talk about Capricorn. So let's see what July is unfolding for you guys. Those people who are born in between December 22nd to January 19. So this is for you, Capricorn. Let's see. Page of Swords. Let me pull a clarifier. Lovely. King of Cups. Oh my. If you can see this, both the cards are from the suits, and this is a minor arcana card, and this card in July. So all the Capricorn, what you have to do is all the decisions. Somehow I feel that you will be able to take decisions very rationally. There will not be any emotional part attached to it, and all the decisions you will do, you will weigh it, you will analyze it. You know how we just do a balance sheet, a quick balance sheet, whatever the profits are, whatever the whatever the losses are, we can just segregate them so clearly with our brain. So that is what is going to happen in July for you. So this is all you will be doing in all your mental box, and you will be able to take all the decisions, and things are going to fly very very easily for you. It will come across as if the time is flying, but I would suggest that do a proper analysis. Sometimes rational decisions are fine. I believe them, like, yeah, of course you have weighed them properly, but don't do it in a haste, because this card is talking about all, like, haste, doing the things in haste, doing the things like you are rushing around, you are taking like really bold steps, but you are rushing towards it. Don't rush. Okay, just don't rush. Take the energy of this card as well along with this, which is a King of Cups. Now, as I mentioned that both the cards are from the suits, that this is such a beautiful combination, because the cups is talking about all emotions, cups, and that too you're talking about king. Just imagine, you're talking about something, a person who has achieved and mastered its emotions, all the decisions and all the emotional turbulence, whatever you will be having. Of course you're gonna have, if you can see that there would be turbulence, so you will have to go through that emotional challenging situation, but don't go in haste, don't rush towards it, and just take a pause, just think emotionally as well, balance both, right? Balance both, and then you would be able to overcome the situation. So yeah, that's it for you guys. It would be a nice month for sure, but just be aware of those emotional challenges and how you're going to react to it. Yeah, thank you.